don't have much battery left, but this is the face of a llama who's been spit on. He's going, ew, ew, I got spit on, ew, ew, because they're stinky. Is that stinky? Did you get spit on, sweetie? Or did you do the spitting? Don't even look at me that way. That is not a good look. Hi, Dharma. Don't spit on Mama. That's not what we want. Tina, did you spit on? I'm afraid of him. He's going to spit on me.
All right.
He looks mad. Okay. All right. We're vaccinating.